Welcome back, everybody. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. Today we're going to be doing a video about AMC Entertainment. Before I start the video, guys, please make sure to leave a like on the video below. Subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Join the family, guys. Let's go on our investor journey together. So today we're going to be doing a video about AMC Entertainment. What's been going on with AMC Entertainment, and is the stock eventually going to recover? As you guys can see, today it is down 11% once again. And a lot of people are wondering, why is AMC continuing to sink? Is the stock going to make a recovery? I just want everybody to know everything I say in my videos is not financial advice. It's just my personal opinion. So let's dive in, taking a little bit of a deeper look about AMC, why the stock has suddenly kind of fell, and kind of what's been going on with everything altogether. So as you guys can see here off the 1 month chart, stock was trading around $2 a share, and then on January 27th, it had a 821% increase. So, the stock basically rallied a lot, and the reason that is because a lot of Reddit users felt the need to actually drive up the prices of all of these stocks, right? So they drove up the price of the stocks. All these stocks had a lot of all-time highs, and then a lot of brokerages actually limited the trading of these stocks altogether, and then eventually causing these stocks to sink. Once the restrictions were placed on these stocks, people got scared and they panic sold a lot of their positions in AMC, GameStop, and a lot of other stocks that basically had limited or restricted amounts of trading. Just this past Friday, the brokerages, they finally released the restrictions on the stock, but the volume almost just kind of disappeared. Altogether, there was just not as much volume on the trading session in itself to keep pushing the stocks upward. And it made people wonder, people who bought super high, what is the future of AMC Entertainment? Is the stock going to make a recovery? Why is the stock on a 4-day losing streak? Is the stock going to continue to sink? Well, just yesterday, there was a big AMC Entertainment who converted her Class B shares to Class A shares, which means that now they're able to actually be sold on the market itself, which also did cause a little bit of a panic and actually did sink the stock as well. But if you're looking at future optimism, the pandemic is slowly going away, so this could definitely be a positive upside for AMC Entertainment. A lot of people are now rumoring it out that AMC Entertainment may be bought out, but can AMC Entertainment actually revisit its all-time highs of $19.90? Can the stock actually go back up? Well, it's always going to depend. Like I said, a lot of the volume did leave the stock altogether, but if you're truly bullish on the overall sentiment of AMC Entertainment and you truly feel like the stock is a very good pick in the long run, there should be no reason why altogether that you shouldn't buy the stock. If you truly believe and you're super, super bullish on the stock in itself, you should always buy the stock if you truly believe that the company is going to do well. AMC Entertainment has actually started opening up its movie theaters again, so people are allowed to go back up to the movies, which is a very good thing, right? So that's definitely going to bring some business. AMC Entertainment definitely has been hurting ever since when the pandemic first started. A lot of people were not really skeptical altogether that AMC Entertainment could actually make it, but part of the trading session altogether, AMC Entertainment actually did rule out bankruptcy, which did put a positive light altogether on AMC Entertainment and the people who were actually invested in it. Now, although it is temporary that they ruled out bankruptcy and the company could end up going bankrupt later, which I personally don't think it won't, just because I don't think AMC Entertainment is actually going to go away. People always do love the classical movie theater. It's definitely part of a tradition that most people are never going to let go of, but with the popularity of streaming services and stuff like that, people no longer feel the need to really go to the movie theater as much. But I do think AMC Entertainment does have a place in the stock market. I do think the company is very balanced, and I do think the company does have some long-term value. Obviously, everything I say in my videos is not financial advice. It's just my personal opinion. But the main question is now that AMC Entertainment currently sits at $5.72, people are asking the major critical question: is now a good time to buy AMC stock? Will AMC stock ever revisit the $20 mark? Obviously, we don't know that for sure. We don't know where AMC Entertainment stock is going, but I do want people to know that everything in the stock market is a possibility. If we take a look at the whole GameStop fueled rally, most people didn't think it was possible for GameStop to actually hit $500. It's just GameStop stock, right? So with AMC Entertainment, anything is possible. A lot of people don't even feel like they actually got the full amount of short squeeze off AMC Entertainment. But for me, I actually don't feel like AMC Entertainment actually went through a short squeeze. Although I don't know the short flow amount on AMC Entertainment altogether, I know it does have a decent amount of people who are actually shorting the stock. And I know that once the trading restrictions were lifted, a lot of people kind of just exited because they were afraid that the stock could potentially be hit with another restriction. And that's just kind of how the stock market works. When stocks are restricted from trading, or it scares people into buying the stocks. As a lot of new users were flooding into the market, a lot of these people also did flood into these stocks. But the day all these brokerages actually did restrict the trading altogether, it only gave you the option to sell the stock. So it basically did cause a massive sell-off. If we take a look at the 1 week chart, it's actually down 34.84%. But if we take a look at the 1 month chart, and there was people who actually bought the stock at $2.18, you're still up 167% return on your investment, which isn't too bad. Now, a lot of people are really questioning, what is the future of AMC Entertainment? Where is the stock going to be headed? Like I said, I don't think AMC Entertainment is ever going to go away, at least not in the next 10 to 20 years. Now, that is completely speculative. The company could end up going bankrupt. I don't think it will, but it could. But like I said, a lot of people are also hoping for a buyout now that the company in itself is so cheap enough to the point where it could be subject to a buyout, which is definitely putting a positive light on everything altogether. But I don't think AMC Entertainment is a very bad business model. I think the company is very good. I think the company has solid foundational values. I think the company just happened to be at the wrong place at the wrong time. Like I said, with the whole pandemic and everything like that, AMC Entertainment really hadn't been doing well ever since the pandemic kind of started. And ever since the pandemic kind of started, we definitely did see a little bit of an increase. Even if we look at the 5-year chart, the stock is down 71% of its value. Looking here, it was up at $29.03. This was August 12th of 2016. So slowly but surely, the company has kind of been slowly sinking. But with this Reddit-fueled rally, a lot of people did gain a lot of hope in AMC Entertainment, hopefully thinking that it could actually revisit the $20 mark. Now, a lot of people ask the question, I now have this much average. What should I do? Should I sell my stock? Should I buy more? You guys have to understand that that is completely up to you guys. I'm not a financial advisor. I cannot tell you guys what to do. All I can say is if you're truly bullish on the company, the company does actually have a place, and you actually know that the company is going to succeed and do well altogether, then the stock is definitely worth a buy at $5.66 if you do see a lot of long-term growth potential in the company in itself. Right now, the stock is still pretty cheap. It's like I said, it's sitting at $5.66. For the potential chance that it could actually return to the $20, $30 mark, it's always a very good possibility. And you could end up scoring big time, but patience is always key with the market. And I do expect AMC Entertainment to actually start doing better once the pandemic actually goes away, so people can actually go back to the movie theaters at full capacity. With that being said, guys, that's all I really have to say about the video. Let me know down in the comment section below, guys, what you think of AMC Entertainment. Do you guys think AMC Entertainment is going to re-hit the $20 mark? If you guys own AMC Entertainment, how many shares do you guys have and what's your average? I'm always very curious to know. With that being said, guys, thank you. Have a great day.